whoa! Ah! You mother... Why the fuck were you looking at your phone, officer?
I got a text from another officer here. Give me a second.
You motherfucker. Oh. 396. God damn it. Why were you texting? I don't care if you're texting.
I wasn't texting. I was looking at my phone.
Either way.
Yeah, I know. That was my bad.
Why are you doing that in a turn?
I wasn't paying attention.
Officer, holy shit, dude. Ah. I can walk. How's my arm look?
Your arm's fine.
How about this one?
You're fine. There's no abrasions. That's the only abrasion you got right there.
Jesus fucking A. Got one here. Right. You got band-aids?
Yep, I do.
I guarantee you my frame's cracked.
Jeffrey, bicycles.
If you're wondering what happened after this, he called in the Missouri State Police because there would be a conflict of interest if he filed his own report. So Troopers Green and Toos from the State Police showed up. They did the accident report. I had paramedics check me out, did a refusal for the ER because I was basically just scraped and bruised. I am feeling incredibly sore right now, and I'm going to get checked out by a doctor within the next day or two. And as far as what's going to happen to this local police officer, I don't know. He did have to get breathalyzed and piss tested as part of a procedure. I don't know if any charges or tickets will be levied against him, but that's it for now, and the bike is most likely toast.